Alright, this is now my, I don't know, 7th attempt at this video, so let's see if I can finally get this thing to work. Okay, so you got this wall, and hopefully it's got a nice UV map. If it doesn't, please use mine instead. It should be a bunch of squares. Your UV map might look something like this. All three of these need to be combined into one object, so go into object mode if you have not done so already. Click, hold down shift, click, and then combine and make sure that they're one object. You can tell by going into your outliner here, and it should all be right there. And it's good convention to name this. Let's just call this static mesh sci-fi wall. And I'm going to assign some materials to this now. I'm going to do 3 different materials. This is kind of the quick and easy, not really quick and easy, but the easier way to texture. It's more for architecture than for like a prop. So I'm going to go into right click. I'm going to add a new material, and let's just choose Blinn. It doesn't really matter because these don't transfer over to Unreal. But we're going to do M underscore sci-fi wall. We're going to hit enter, and then we're going to make this a different color just so we can see what it is. Cool, that's red. Okay, let's assign a new material. And we're going to call this one M underscore sci-fi wall 02. Enter. And we're going to change this one to a different color. And it does not matter what color that is. And finally, we are going to assign a new material. And we're going to choose Blinn. And we're going to choose the name M underscore sci-fi wall 03. Enter. Choose a different color. And enter. Okay. So now, if we go into face mode, and we right click, assign existing material, let's choose 02. This one became 01 by 03 by default, so let's change that one to sci-fi wall. And you should have 3 different colors. If you do not, just make sure you go into face mode, double click, assign existing materials until you do. It can be a little weird. It seemed like it took a while to refresh that, but whatever, here we go. So now, I'm assuming you've already exported this as an FBX. If you have not done so, double check and make sure that you're on the X on your grid, and do a file, export, selection. Actually do it anyway, because we've just assigned 3 different materials. So we're going to call this one an FBX, and we're going to put it in our modular walls, and we're going to call this one static mesh underscore sci-fi wall. I'm going to put the word Janelli at the end. You can put your name, make sure smoothing groups is checked, and then click export selection. Let's go into Unreal now. And we will right click, imports, and the FBX is going to include the materials. So if I go into my modular walls and I go to static mesh sci-fi wall Janelli, and make sure skeletal mesh is not checked, click import all. And you'll see that it's got the 3 materials along with the actual object. So now when I bring it in, for some reason I think mine's upside down, and I don't know, my whole view, I think it might be upside down here. I think it might be like this. I think I just completely worked upside down. I don't really know, but whatever. Let me just rotate that to get that to work 180 degrees. Hopefully yours does not look like that. Somebody's knocking on my door. I guess I'll pause this and make another part 2 to this video.